In activity 4.7 part D, we're given the graph of a function and we want to calculate the definite integral from -3 to 4 of g of x dx. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to break this up into some nice geometric shapes so we can see what's going on. So it looks like we have a triangle and a half circle, a triangle. Looks like we can break that up into a square and a triangle and a quarter circle and a half circle here. So let's do all the positive areas in purple and we'll do the negative areas in another color. So first off, we got the area of this triangle. It's got a base of 1 and a height of 1. So the area of this triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height, or 1/2. Now, we have a quarter circle here, so that's the fourth of the area of a circle, so pi. It has a radius right here of 1 unit times 1 squared, or pi over 4. Okay, we're going to do the last positive one. So right here, again, we have half a circle with a radius of 1. So this area is half of a circle times pi times 1 squared, or pi over 2. Let's write that where you can see it. So pi over 2. Now let's get those areas underneath. Notice this triangle is the same size as this triangle, so this triangle here is going to have an area of 1/2. And same with this triangle, area of 1/2. Finally, we've got our square here. It is a 1 by 1, which means it's got an area of 1. Now, last thing we need to take into consideration is which of these are positive and which are negative. Well, the reason I did them in purple for positive, green for negative. So I've got 1/2 plus pi over 4 plus pi over 2. And now I'm going to subtract off the greens. Minus 1/2 minus 1 minus 1/2. So we can combine some of these. These halves, for instance, will cancel. And what I'll get is 3 pi over 4 from combining these two minus 3/2. And let's just go ahead and leave the answer like that. Let's not worry about the decimal.